Alright guys, we have this 2013 M5 here. We're going to be using our GMS Pro tuner. Basically, this allows you guys to do your tunes wherever you're located. We'll send it to you. All European models, mostly Audi and BMWs, we can send it to you. Basically what comes in the box is you have your tuner that plugs into the OBD 2 port, your cable, and the case. I'll show you guys what you gotta do. Very simple process. Basically, when you get this, you open up the pouch, you download the software that'll come. Very easy to download when you buy the tune. We'll send you a link to download it. You'll have to download something on your Windows 10 base laptop. You plug this into the bottom here, and then you find a diagnostic port, which typically, well, on every car they're always underneath the dash. So on this one, we'll find it here real quick. Okay, and then we'll run this cable to the laptop. Okay, we'll show you guys a few things here, not what it takes, but basically once you have the software and downloaded and you run this to the laptop, you're able to download the file from the ECU, which then can be emailed to us, and we can modify your tunes based on your needs. Stage 1, Stage 1 Plus, Stage 2, even Stage 3 tunes. So all these are available on our website. If you guys have any questions as far as what's compatible with what and how things work, we're always available via phone, email, or messages on Facebook, Instagram. So make sure you hit us up there. But it's pretty straightforward stuff, and we can do more than one map, but you'll just have to reflash the ECU every time you want to change the map. But we'll show you a couple other things here, and this thing will be tuned in no time.
Holy cow, is this Supra in the back?
Dude, is this a Supra?
Wow! Is that a Supra?
Dude, is it a Supra? This is how the manifold's gonna look, guys. We got the gates on it, the logo. Jensen kicked ass. He's making a few others right now for some customers, and Gustavo's is wrapped up as well. This is gonna get waiting on the turbo. It's gonna be sent out. Got our production lines all set up. Doing some test fitting on the kits that we got. The Gallardo is also been welded as far as some of the exhaust goes. All installed, blued. It's been a lot of work to get that set up, huh?
Looks nice though.
It does look nice. What are you doing? What do you got there?
I'm gonna polish our mid pipe on the down pipe, middle section. Spin it, Scotch Brite it.
Weld it. Yep. Right on. The RX-7 is back, got wrapped. We matched the color pretty close as far as the charge pipe in our turbo kit goes, I would say. Stoked on how that turned out. But we were a little bit behind on getting some stuff done this week, guys. We're waiting on parts. It's extremely hard to get stuff right now, so that put us behind, but we have a lot of things working up for the following weeks. We have some things we're going to be changing up on the Audi R8 that we have done before. We're going to get it in here and just finalize those changes. Maybe turn the power up a little bit, do some more tuning on the car to get a little bit more juice out of it. But other than that, it's kind of what we got going on for this episode. Not a whole lot, to be honest, but stay tuned for the next one.